Afternoon, dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
All of you got timetable for your PT test?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to prepare one lesson from geography, first lesson. Just go through the notes which I have sent to you.
Okay, ma'am.
I have sent a note, right? A summary and some question answers from the first lesson. Have you got it? Have you got the notes? Response. I'm not getting any
Yes,
response.
ma'am.
Yes. Say
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay, go through the notes, read and underline all the important points in that. You are taking printout, right? You are using printout. You are not writing in paper. Let me go through it. Okay, where I stopped in the last class. Last Thursday, where I stopped, all of you sit up straight.
Brahmaputra
Who is
plain.
this? NIH@L#9B. Who is this? What is his name?
Nihal.
Nihal. Nihal, can you hear me? Nihal. Alicia, Aaron, Jose, Godwin, Angelo. Turn on your video. Because we got instruction. Rachel, what we learned in the last class, what we discussed in the last class?
Ma'am, northern plains.
Northern plains. We started northern plains, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you listen. I will explain the same with the help of map. Then you will understand this properly. We were discussing about northern plains, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
We were discussing about northern plains. Next to Himalayan ranges, we have the northern plains. You can see, you can look at the board, you can see, right? Can you see the board? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next to the Himalayan ranges, we have discussed about the Himalayan ranges. First physiographic division of India. Second one is northern plains. This green is northern plain till here, Assam. Okay. The northern plains are classified into three. What are they? Punjab plains,
Punjab
Ganga plains,
Ganga
and
plains,
Brahmaputra
Brahmaputra.
plains. This, here it is marked 1. It is Punjab plains. Second one is Ganga plain. The third one is Brahmaputra plain. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what we discuss under the heading Punjab plain? It's a west part of northern plain, right? This is the northern plain. Punjab plain is in the west part of northern plain, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
North Punjab plain, there's a Punjab plain, west part of northern plains, right? Then Punjab plain, this is Punjab plain. Okay, Punjab plain, we learned Punjab plain formed by river Indus and its tributaries. You remember the sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Punjab plains formed by the river Indus. Here you can see river Indus, blue color, right? River Indus and its tributary. It has 5. River Indus has 5 tributaries. What are they? Jhelum, one tributary. Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, and Bias. These are the 5 tributaries of river Indus. What is tributary? Small rivers flow into large rivers, right? Large
ma'am.
river. It is called tributary, right? Right, Fizan? Yes, sir. This
Yes,
board
ma'am.
has a problem. Sometimes it will go up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now it is okay. On the board, you can see Punjab plains. Here you can see river Indus. This is river Indus, right? And its tributaries, small rivers. First one, Jalam, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Bias. All this join with river Indus. Small rivers join with river Indus. So Punjab plain is formed by river Indus and its 5 tributaries. You got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what is second sentence we form? Major portions of the plain lies in Pakistan, right? Major portions of Punjab plain lies in Pakistan. See? Pakistan. Major portions of Punjab plain lies in Pakistan. Sentence is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next point, what we discussed.
Dominated by Doabs.
Very good. Punjab plain is dominated by Doab. Doab. Do means what?
Two.
Two. Very good. Ab means
Water.
water. Then land between rivers. I will explain the same with the help of this map, then you will understand this very clearly. See, here we have 5 rivers, right? 5 rivers.
Yes, ma'am.
Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj, etc. 5 tributaries are there of the river Indus. In between, we have land. Here we have land, right? In between these rivers, between these 2 rivers, land is there. Plain area between here. So, Doab means land between 2 rivers. I hope you understood the meaning of Doab, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
Punjab plain is dominated by dash.
Doabs.
Doab. Very good. So, Punjab, the word Punjab itself is made of 2 words. The word Punjab is made of 2 words. Which are they? Who will say? Who can say this? Punjab, the word Punjab is made of 2 words. Punch. What is the meaning of punch? What is the meaning of this? 5, right? Punch, punch, right. Ab means
Water.
water. Rivers. Abs means rivers of water. So Punjab means land between the rivers. From this picture, I hope you understood, right? Punjab plains. Punjab means land between rivers. Punjab is formed by river Indus and its 5 tributaries. And Punjab plain is dominated by Doab, land between 2 rivers. I hope it's clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Shall I move to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of second plain?
Ganga plain.
Ganga plain. Okay. Yes, Ganga plain. Thus, from here till here we have this. Ganga plain is formed between river Ghaggar and Teesta. River Ghaggar and Teesta. Ganga plain is formed by river Ghaggar and Teesta. I'll show you on the map right here. Here we have Punjab plain. See, this is Punjab state, Punjab plain. From here, Haryana, this part till here we have what? Second one. So first one, second one, Ganga plain. Haryana, New Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal, till West Bengal. Ghaggar from, it's passing through Haryana, state Haryana and river Teesta in West Bengal. River Teesta here in West Bengal and river Ghaggar passing through Haryana. It starts from Himalayan mountains and passing through Haryana. So, Second plain, Ganga plain, it's between River Ghaggar and Teesta. River Ghaggar and Teesta. River Ghaggar and Teesta. So this plain extended to the states of Haryana, Delhi, then Haryana, Delhi, Uttar
Uttar
Pradesh,
Pradesh,
Bihar,
Bihar,
West Bengal, etc.
Jharkhand.
Yeah, Jharkhand and West, Bihar, West Bengal. Very good. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, last plain is Brahmaputra plain. Brahmaputra plain extends to the states of Jharkhand and West Bengal, right? Then it lies in Assam. Brahmaputra plain lies in Assam. This is Brahmaputra plain. It lies in Assam. Here it is, Assam. See? Enlarged picture is there. First one I showed you, right? It's Assam, this part. Third one, Brahmaputra plain. This is Brahmaputra plain. The enlarged picture is this one. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then three plains, it's clear, thorough.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have to learn one more classification based on relief features. And what do you mean by relief features? Next classification is based on relief features. Relief features are those which we can connect with the type of land or height of mountains, etc. Here we have classification based on type of land. What's the next classification? Based on relief. Eva, are you listening here, Eva?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Next classification is based on type of land or relief features. Let us see what are the three classifications based on relief features. When we talk about plain, as we all know, plains are generally described as flat area, right? Flat land.
Yes, ma'am.
But when we talk about this northern plain, it's not true. Some variations are there in the northern plains, plain land, not flat. Some variations are there. Okay. So that's why we have the classification based on relief features or types of land. Northern plains, again classified into 4. First classification based on the origin of plains, right? Northern plains are classified into, northern plains are formed by 3 rivers and it's classified into 3. Punjab plains, Ganga plains and Brahmaputra plains. Then we have another classification based on types of land. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us see what's the next classification based on type of land. I'll share a screen. Next classification. Classification. First one, northern plains classified into 4 regions: Bagar, Tarai, Bankar and Kanta. These are the 4 classification of northern plains based on relief features. Based on relief features. What are they? 3 classifications. What are they? Babar, Tarai, Bankar and Kanker. Let us see one by one what they are. Bhabar, Terai region, Bhankar and Kanker. These are the 4 classifications based on relief features or type of land. Krishna Chaudhary, can you read the names of 4 regions, 4 areas?
Bahabar,
Yes.
Terai,
Terai,
Bhangar,
Bhankar,
Kankar.
Kanker, right. Thank you. Then let's see what they are. First one, Baba. First classification is Baba. Then here, this is Shivalik mountains. This is Shivalik mountain range, right? Then these areas are the foothills of or lower part of Shivalik mountains. These are the lower part. First you look at the board and understand. After that you can write the points. Same points are there in your textbook, okay? Look at the board and listen what ma'am is saying. After that I'll give you time to copy the notes.
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am.
Otherwise I'm sending notes. This is Shivalik mountain range. Okay. At the foothills of Shivalik, foothills means lower part of Shivalik, you can see pebbles, right? You can
Yes, ma'am.
see pebbles. And you can see wet part. One side of these pebbles are wet, right? But we cannot see rivers over there. Can you see rivers over there?
No,
But it
ma'am.
is no rivers, but it is wet. Some part of this, part of this area is wet. Okay. That means here we have pebbles is the Shivalik mountain range. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
When the rivers flow down from this mountain, from the Shivalik, they deposit the pebbles over here. When the rivers flow the slopes of mountains, flow down slopes of mountains, right? Flow down the slopes and deposit pebbles. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Then comes the point. It's a belt of this area. It is called belt. This area is called Babar belt. Okay. This area is about 80 to 16 kilometer. Total area, 80 to 16 kilometer in width, lying parallel to the slope of Shivalik. It's this area is called Babar belt. At the lower part of Mount Shivalik or the lower part of Shivalik mountain ranges, this part is called Babar belt. Okay. Then this area lying parallel to the slopes of the Shivalik. What is the meaning of this sentence? Lying parallel to the slopes of the Shivalik. This is a Shivalik mountain range, right? Just parallel to Shivalik mountain range, we have Babar belt. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Here we have, what is this? Shivalik mountain range. Parallel to the Shivalik, same like this. Just parallel to Shivalik mountain range, we have Babar belt. Second point, the Babar area is composed of pebbles which are brought down by rivers. It's composed of pebbles, stones, right? Who brought this?
Rivers.
Rivers.
Rivers brought the rivers. Rivers flow down from the, originate from the mountains, deposit pebbles. Then, third sentence. Streams disappear in Babar belt. Here stream means rivers. Rivers disappear in Babar belt. Rivers disappear means, that's why I told you in the beginning, can you see rivers over there? Then you said you cannot see any rivers over there, right? You cannot see a river over there, but you can see a wet part over there. Because river is flowing through this way, but we cannot see the river because of the pebbles. Clear? This area is full of or filled with rocks and pebbles. So we cannot see the flowing river. River is flowing this way, but we cannot see the river. That's why that is the meaning of the sentence. Streams disappear. Streams disappear does not mean river disappear. River is there, but we cannot see the river because of the pebbles and rocks. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I'll show you a video. I'll show you a video. Just listen the video. I think from this you will understand the meaning of streams disappear and thus re-emerge in Terai belt. Okay, you will understand what is the meaning of the sentence. Okay. By the time, tell me what you understand by the word Terai. Not Terai, Baba.
There, water is not there.
Now water is not there. We learn
And
like
there,
that.
Pebbles and rocks are there, altered.
Pebbles
Compost.
and
Pebbles and rocks are composed.
this area, Baba belt is composed of
Pebbles and rocks.
pebbles and rocks. Okay, then
8 to 16 kilometer width.
yeah, with us 18. Continue.
We cannot see the streams.
We cannot see the stream. That the sentence uses streams disappear.
Lying parallel to
Yeah,
Shivalik.
yes. Baba bell lying parallel to Shivalik.
Shivalik.
Okay. I'll share a video with you. Just if you cannot listen the sound, just inform me.
Okay.
I stop my video and I'm going to mute. Otherwise, you can listen the video, okay? But you can talk to me. If you cannot hear the sound, you can tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we cannot hear sound. Ma'am, we cannot hear sound.
And the sound.
Can you hear?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay, no.
Anyway, okay, just watch the video.
We
Sorry?
can hear, but the video sound is not able.
Oh, yes, yes. In all system, video is not working. This video is very good one. Baba Tarai belt in India. Otherwise, you can check, type this name in YouTube, then you can watch it. Okay, Tarai, its name is Baba Tarai belt in India. Okay, I'll show the video. Just watch it in between. I'll give you. Watch the video. In between, I will explain it. Just imagine where she placed a glass of water. Just imagine this is a mountain range, right? Rivers originate from these mountain ranges. Clear? This is a mountain range. This is a mountain range. Here we have mountain range. Rivers originate from this mountain range. Okay. See, you can see sand and pebbles, right? Rocks. Actually, the
Yes, ma'am.
rivers flow down from those mountains or originate from the mountain. These rivers deposit pebbles and sand at the foothills of mountains, at the lower part of mountains, right? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rivers deposit the pebbles, stones and sand, alluvial soil at the foothills. Foothills means Foothill. Foothill means lower part of the mountain, plain area. Then these rivers originate from the mountains, deposit the stones and sand at the foothills of mountains. Okay. Then just see, when the rivers start flowing, actually this is the mountain range. Like this we have mountain range. Okay. It's a slope. It's a slope area and gradually become flat surface, right? River originate. Yes. As the rivers start from here, but we cannot see the water flowing, right? Why we cannot see the flow of water this side?
Because rocks are there. Rocks.
Yeah, because of the rocks and pebbles. This part is called Barber Belt. It's composed of rocks and pebbles. Streams disappear means we cannot see the flow rivers because of
Rocks and pebbles.
yes, because of rocks and pebbles. Ah. But the same water, when it reaches over here, you can see, right? Here you can see water.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why next part of the
Yes,
northern
ma'am.
plain is Terai Belt. In Terai Belt, you will learn a sentence, rivers or streams re-emerge. Re-emerge means here we can see the rivers. Here we cannot see the rivers. That's why we use the sentence, streams and rivers disappear in Barber region and Barber Belt and re-emerge in Terai region. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When we watch the first one Barber Belt, we feel there is no water, there is no rivers, but river is flowing there, but we cannot see water because of this pebbles and rocks. It's clear. That's why we have one sentence over there. What is it? Streams disappear, right? Streams disappear. Does it mean rivers are not there? Clear, river? Barber Belt or Barber region is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking to Eva. Where is Eva? Eva, respond. Unmute your audio. Maria. Maria, can you explain Barber Belt or Barber region? Maria, unmute your audio. Maria, quickly. Oh, you're taking a lot of time. Maria, can you hear me?
Ma'am, can I say?
1 second, please. Maria Salbin, can you hear me? Maria, can you hear me?
Breaking.
Rachel.
Yes, ma'am.
Rachel, can you explain Baba belt? Baba
Ma'am,
region?
it is up to 8 to a 16-kilometer width.
Yes.
It is composed of pebbles and rocks.
Yes.
So we cannot see a river flowing through it.
Yes. Then it is just parallel to the slope of or the foothills of
Shivaliks.
Shivalik. I hope all of you understood this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one is Tarai Belt. When you look at this picture, you can see Himalayan mountains. You can see here Himalayan mountains. 3 ranges, right? Great Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya, Shivalik. 3 mountain ranges you can see. Then at the foothills of Shivalik, you can see pebbles over here, right? This is Babar belt. Next to or south to Babar, we have Tarai belt, Tarai region. Next to Babar, we have Tarai region. Let us see what it is. This is Tarai region. Tarai region south to Babar, we have Tarai region. This is a muddy land, full of mud. Wet, swampy and marshy means muddy region. It's a muddy region. This region is thickly forested and full of wildlife. But over the period of time, what happened? Large areas of forest have been cleared to expand agriculture or to accommodate the migrants from Pakistan. Clear? Next,
Yes,
south to Babar belt lies Tara region. It's a muddy region, thick forest and wildlife safe. But over the time, what happened? Large areas of forest have been cleared to expand agriculture. And accommodate people from or migrants from Pakistan.
Can we write?
If you want, you can. Otherwise, I'll send you notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Listen me, that is important now. See, this is the mountain ranges. First one, Greater Himalaya. Second one, Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. Third one, Shivalik range. At the foothills, we have Babar belt. Then south to Babar belt, we have Tarai region. It's full of pebbles. Tarai region is full of forest and wildlife, but over the time, large areas of forest have been cleared to expand agriculture and to accommodate people from Pakistan. Clear? It's a muddy land.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Here you
ma'am.
can see one sentence, it is streams re-emerge. I hope you understood the meaning of the sentence. Streams re-emerge in Tarai region. What is the meaning of the sentence? Streams
Yes, ma'am.
or rivers re-emerge in Tarai region.
Ma'am, from Babar belt,
Yeah. Yes, you are right.
Belt from flowing river.
In Babar belt, we cannot see the rivers, right? But when it reached the next region, Tarai region, we can see the rivers. We can see water over there, right? That's why the streams disappear in Babar belt and re-emerge in Tarai region. River is there, but in Babar region or Babar belt, we cannot see the river because of pebbles and stones. But when it reached Tarai region, we can see the rivers because it's a muddy place. Wet, muddy. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So, Just watch that video that I have showed you one video. I think this is enough. Two more classifications are there that I'll do in the next class. Otherwise, when I explain all this together, you will be confused with 4 classifications. Be thorough with this 2 classification. Okay, Barber belt and terrae region. Okay, I'll give you a brief summary again. Just listen the class. First, we learn about Barber belt. And what is its area is 8 to 16 kilometer. It's just parallel to Shivalik mountains. Just parallel to Shivalik mountains. Full of pebbles. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
They're full of pebbles. Because the river originates from the mountain ranges deposit pebbles over here. So we cannot say river. That's why we have the word. We have the sentence here, streams disappear in Barber belt. Right? This area is composed of pebbles deposited by rivers. Second one is terrae region. South to Barber region, we have Barber belt, we have terrae region. It's the muddy land, thick forest and full of wildlife was there, but over the time, large areas of forest have been cleared to expand agriculture and to accommodate the migrants from Pakistan. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I hope it's clear and thorough with you, right? Today we have discussed about 3 plain divisions. First one, Punjab plain, Ganga plain and Brahmaputra plain, right? Keep that map in your mind, then you will never forget it. Okay. Then second, 3 plain areas, again classification based on types of land or relief features. We have 4 classification, Barber belt, then terrae region, Banker and Khadar. We have discussed only 2 other classifications. We will do next class. Okay. Then study, prepare well for your examination. Okay, revise all the, only one chapter you have to study. I have sent notes summary of the lesson. Right? Go through the lesson. Very small lesson, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Always response. Okay, whenever I ask question, try to respond. Then you will never
Okay,
forget
ma'am.
when you repeat the answer again and again the class itself. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
dear children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.